Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be doing a budget plan with me in my Recollections Planner for St. Patrick's Day week. And I just recently received this kit. I'll leave the haul up here. This is from Sweet Pink Elephant and it's called the Lucky One. And I actually didn't buy this particular kit. I bought a mystery kit, or like a grab bag, not a grab bag, like a random pull, maybe that's the right word. So I bought a mini kit for like $10 and she just randomly pulled one and I got a St. Patrick's Day one, which is perfect. So this has lots of green and lots of pink and I love it. So the quote says, "Luck is not found, but it is made." And it has the girl and the floral, shamrocks, the green, the pink, etc. And this is a mini kit, like I said. So there's 8 full boxes, a sidebar, weekend banner, me time. There are icons, little heart checklists, the movie marquee, habit tracker, bill dues, icons, 3 heart checklists, and some little dots and asterisks. And then we have pattern washi down here at the bottom, half boxes, and a lot of little things, and they're really cute. They have a little like stitching detail. And then you do get bottom washi and headers for everyday plus like sidebar type headers. So we have quite a bit to work with. I'm not sure if it's everything I need, but we're gonna plan as far as I possibly can with this kit and then add as necessary. I have not ordered from Sweet Pink Elephant before, so I'm not sure what the paper is like, but it's, ooh, oh boy. This is matte paper, and I'm assuming it will come up, but I don't really want to test that if I don't have to, because, you know, if you can't get it up, then you have an issue, because I don't own Undo. Okay, I think that's a little, just a smidgy crooked. I actually don't think that's going to come up. So we'll leave it a smidgy crooked. And then, like I said, I have the full boxes. We have these little heart checklists, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. I think I might keep them in that order also. I'll put full boxes maybe up and down every other. Maybe checklists every other with the full boxes. We'll try that. Okay, you guys, I think this is everything I can put in for right now. So I have some headers and washi left. I have icons and stuff left here. And then I still have quite a few little things, this me time sticker and some washi at the bottom. And this is my spread, so this is the second half. I love the little weekend banner. And the first half. So as you can see, I still have quite a bit of room. Some of these things, I have a board meeting, my 10-month anniversary. I have a package coming. I will be planning on Thursday this week instead of Friday because I'll be going out of town this day, and conferences are this day from 8 in the morning until 7 at night, and we never get out of there at 7. So I'll be busy basically all of Friday. And if I film this day and edit this day, then I can upload like overnight on Friday and still have my plan with me up. My mom is flying into town this day. I have my Simply Gilded sub renew this day. It's St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to a job fair with my boss to hire some new people, and I think that's everything. Okay, so if you guys like this plan with me, give it a thumbs up. If you do not like fast forwarded plan with me, please let me know down below. I can talk through it, but I feel like I talk through these plans twice in other videos each week, so I can kind of get away with it. But if you'd like to hear me talk some more, let me know if you have any suggestions for things to talk about. I'd love those as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, this was from Sweet Pink Elephant. I'll leave her shop link down below, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. Bye!